Hi, this is Adam from Times. Today we will be looking at adding and managing team members from Atom. In this video, I will walk you through how to manage team members, how to invite a team member, how to add multiple team members. Let's get started. When you're on the dashboard, if you haven't subscribed yet, click the Subscribe Now button. After subscribing, navigate to Settings and click on Team Management. This is where you can manage and add your team members. If you already have team members, their details will appear here. If you don't have any team members yet and want to invite one, click the Invite Team Member button. A pop-up window will appear for you to enter the email address of your team member. If you want to invite one person, simply type in their email. If you want to invite multiple team members, after typing the first email, press the Tab key or use a comma, then continue typing the next email. Once you're satisfied, click Send Invite. The email has now been successfully added. You can check the status to confirm. If it shows pending, that means the invitation hasn't been accepted yet. If your team member hasn't accepted the invite and you'd like to resend it, wait for about 5 minutes, then click Resend Invitation. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.